Hello everyone. Hello dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last lecture we started exercise 5.2. So in this lecture we are going to continue our exercise 5.2. Okay students, so in our last lecture we are done with question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are done with 4 questions of the exercise 5.2. So today we are going to deal with question number 5. So question number 5 is divide the following. Question number 5 is divide the following. So, part A, 2 divided by 2 is equals to blank. So students, first of all note down the question. Question is divide the following. Question is divide the following. We have learned so many ways of division. We can make the groups to divide, we can repeatedly subtract to divide, or we can divide with the help of divide, multiply, divide cycle. Okay. So for dividing this we need the table of 2. So let's write the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and so on. See, 2 divided by 2. So in the table of 2 we need to find the number 2. So where is number 2? Here is number 2. So if we multiply 1 and 2, 2 into 1 is 2. If we multiply 2 by 1 then we will get 2. So our answer will be 1 here. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Or we can do this with the help of property also. We know the property. If a number is divided by itself, the answer will be 1. So here the number 2 is getting divided by itself. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Either we can do it with the help of table or multiplication, or we can solve it by the property. So this is our answer, or we can this is our answer. So let's write the answer. 2 divided by 2 is equals to, note the sound. Okay, I hope you have written down. Now the next question. Okay, so the next question is part B, 49 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7 is equals to blank. So we need to find out its answer. For this we need to write the table of 7. Let's see the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, we need 49. So here we will stop. If we multiply 7 by 7, then we will get 49. So 7 sevens are 49. It means if we divide 49 by 7, we will get 7. So our answer is 7. So 49 divided by 7 is equals to 7. This is our answer. And the writing of table is our rough work. We will not show this in our fair work. 47 divided by 7 is 7. Note this down quickly. Students, you have noted down. Now moving forward, question C. So question C is 64 divided by 8. Question C, 64 divided by 8 is equals to blank. Now let's find out its answer. For finding out its answer, we need table of 8. So let's write the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, and we need number 64. We got number 64. So 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. If we multiply 8 into 8, we get 64. And if we divide 64 by 8, we will get 8. So 64 divided by 8 is equals to 8. So this is the answer. 8 is our answer. So note this down too, dear students. Okay, I hope you are done. Now, question D. Question D is 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 is equals to blank. Now let's find out its answer. For getting its answer, we need table of 5. So let's see the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 45. 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. We need number 45. We got 45. If you multiply 5 by 9, we will get 45. And if we divide 45 by 5, we will get the number 9. So 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. So 9 is our answer. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. So our answer is 9. Now the next question, question E. So question E is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. For this we need table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. See, the number 4, we got 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So if we divide 4 by 2, we will get 2. So our answer is 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. If we know the tables, then it will be very convenient to divide, because we know now the relation between division and multiplication. We know the multiplication divide cycle. So with the help of that cycle, we can divide very easily. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Note down properly. Now, the next question, that is question F. Question F is 81 divided by 9. Question F, 81 divided by 9 is equals to blank. Now we need to fill this box. For solving this, we need the table of 9. So let's see the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72 and 9 nines are 81. See, we need number 81. We got 81. So, if we multiply 9 by 9, we will get 81. And if we divide 81 by 9, we will get 9. So, our answer is 9. 81 divided by 9 is equals to 9. This is our answer. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Okay, so the next question is G. Question G. Now question G is 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is equals to. Now for this we need table of 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Yeah, we need number 24 and we got 24. 6 into 4, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So the answer is 4. 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. This is how division and multiplications are related. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now the next question, question H. Question H is 80 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8 is equals to blank. Now for this we need the table of 8. So let's see the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. See, we need the number 80. So 80, 8 into 10 is equals to 80. 80 divided by 8 is equals to 10. So 10 is our answer. Let's write the answer. 80 divided by 8 is equals to 10. So 80 divided by 8 is equals to 10. Now our question number 5 is done. With this question we are done with exercise 5.2 and we had learned the properties, all the properties of division. So with the help of those properties you can solve the questions on page number 69. Questions given on page number 69. This is your homework, you need to solve by your own. Okay students, so this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.